everyone, Big Game Out, back again with another Cex and Charity shop hunt. This time we are in Eastleigh. Just parked up at the Swan Centre. Just noticed they've got a Tesco Express there. I need that to get a little drink when I leave. But yeah, let's go and see what they've got here for charity shops and Cex wise. There she goes for the shopping down the elevator. So Kaz, why have we come to Eastleigh today?
We've come to Eastleigh because I've got to take a top back because it's too big on me.
Yes, and the closest shop was here, weren't it?
Yeah, the closest shop was here in Eastleigh.
Oh well, so yeah, we're here just so she can return a top that she bought in Wales. There she goes, into yours. Alright, well Kaz is staying inside the Swan Shopping Centre. We're on the hunt for charity shops now. Here we've got Pets Corner. There's a few little side roads to go and check out, so hopefully we can find a few and Cex is out here somewhere as well. First up we've got the cry shop, it's quite big, it's a little double shop. I'll check this side first. Nothing in here. Let's go somewhere else. Alright, next up we've got Salvation Army. Belief in Action. A few. Battlefield 3. Nothing other than that. Right, next up we've got Save the Children, Eastleigh. Check it out in here. No games. Right, next up we've got the British Heart Foundation. We've just seen better days. Nothing in the window worth looking at, just a couple of cars. Right, let's go check out. I normally have like a video game section, but not in this one. Oh well, onwards. Well, we've made it to the end of this road. Got a little park, quite nice. Yeah, we're going over here to carry on with the town. Sainsbury's there, and I'll see little coal miner. Looks alright. It's like railway man actually. I think it is. Alright, and next up we've got Age UK. Let's go check this out. There's a little Tetris lights there, they're quite cool. I think this big box. There's that. Ah, we found a cash converters. What they got in the window, anything good? I can see a couple of switches. Big box Zelda game, Zelda Switch. A couple of Switch games, yeah. Right, let's go look at inside. Need to walk past this one, the Revitalise charity shop, now open. Let's go check it out. Next up we've got Mountbatten. Hampshire supporting Mountbatten, Hampshire. Let's go look in here. Couple in here. Nearly missed this one as well. Shore Trust. I think it's a charity shop. Looks like one. Oh, some more fevers. That's what we want. Looks like we've got Naomi House and Jack's place. Go check this place out. Right, I'm checking. Right. Not found Cex. Chainman Exchange. Let's go see what's in the window as always. Chibi robot, £5. When those used to give them away. Mario Kart there. Not much else. Couple of Switch games. That one there. We've seen that one before. Colour Live and Snore Pen. Interesting. Right. Let's go inside. built here. Let's go up them stairs and see what's here. Well, for this place some arcades. Got a Hollywood Bowl and they've got something called Party Man up there. I don't know what that is. But yeah, it looks good. Alright, let's go back, find Kaz and get out of here. Unless they've got a Sports Direct in it with a game in it. And guess what? They do. Sports Direct with a game in it. And that is Eastleigh done. Quite a nice little town this. Picked up one game from Cash Converters. So yeah, let's get back home and I'll show you what we got. So yes, back for another day out. Down to Eastleigh. Spur of the moment trip that. Didn't find anything in CEX for once. But I did find something in Cash Converters. Half the price of what it is in CX, so very happy with that. But yeah, we went down to Eastleigh because Kaz had to take back something to yours, and yours clothing doesn't seem to be everywhere anymore like it used to. Maybe they're just going online, who knows. But yeah, like I said, picked up one game. I don't think I own this one, but who knows. I need to sort out this games room ASAP. I'm not doing another hunt until the games room's done so I can see what I have and what I haven't got. But yeah, from Cash Converters, I picked up for the Xbox One, Warhammer, Vermintide 2, don't know, but yeah, it's £12 in CX this, and I paid, if you can read it properly, $5.99, what a bargain. So yeah, it's just got the game in there. It's by 505, Games Workshop. Looks a bit like a Lord of the Rings style game, this one. I don't mind them, they're alright. They're good fun for a couple of hours. Don't know if I'll complete it. Although it has got 4-player co-op since Left 4 Dead. That was the best 4-player co-op since Left 4 Dead, so yeah. If anyone's got it and wants to play 4-player co-op, let's give it a go. So yeah, that's Eastleigh done. I'll say spur of the moment thing. Nice little shopping centre there. But yeah, there was a few charity shops outside, nothing killing as always. And yeah, the game was there. Not game. There was a game there, yeah. Inside Sports Direct. Didn't have much in it. Nothing worth getting. But yeah, had a little look in there. So yeah, let me know if you've got this game, if you've played this game, if you want to play it 4-player co-op. Any of your friends out there. If anyone wants to play it. A bit gassy, you know. I've just nearly drunk a whole can of Mango Loco. I'm a bit tired. But yeah, gotta go to work soon. Not good. But anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. And as always, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.